There we go. What I've been dealing with for the last hour. At least I'm dry. Right, big guy? Yes, I'm in my flannel PJs.